Hey y'all, Sarah Star here for your vloggy vlog, because they always start in the car. But today's probably just going to be a short vlog. The boyfriend and I are going to see my dad and his wife, and we're going to do RC airplanes, remote controlled airplanes. He's done this since I was like a teenager, and he's gotten back into it. So we're taking about an hour drive to go to where they're flying today. So I'm going to get some footage of that. We were going to take the cats to the vet this morning, but I called just to double check to make sure, because they get really picky, like that you do it like the same date and everything that you did it the year before. So I called this morning and they said Willow got hers done last year on June 14th. So that's 4 days from now, so we're just going to do it next Saturday because I don't have time during the week. And Ghost is next month, which I forgot last year we did go to give him a shot, but they said he was too young, so then we had to go next month. So there will be cats at the end of the vlog because I did get them little name tags now to wear, so they're super cute. And the last month or so they haven't been wearing their collars because Ghost took his off. So we just said, okay, Willow, you can have yours off, and Ghost took his off last night. I'm like, really, kitty? But let's get on and get in there. Can you help a girl out? Alright, my vlogs, I don't think they do that well, mainly because I don't have a life really. But, I mean, my channel started off as a vlog channel. It's Sarah Star Vlogs. It still is, because I don't think I can change it. But, I just want to know what y'all want to see. I mean, I live in a city, so, I mean, there should be things to do. But, sometimes we're just lazy and we don't want to go out. But, I just need to know what y'all want to see, what you want me to do. I am going to be having an awesome vlog coming out in July because if you're on, God, I'm sorry for the bumpy road. On my Instagram and my Snapchat, I've already announced that I'm going to Universal Studios in Orlando at the end of June and in the beginning of July. And I am so excited. Like, I kind of cried when I bought the tickets and everything. The whole, like, vacation package we're doing is we're staying at a resort. We got the 3-day 2 parks. So, it's really exciting. And I'm basically going just for the Harry Potter attraction stuff. I mean, the other stuff is obviously going to be cool to experience, but it's mainly Harry Potter for me. So, I'm definitely going to be vlogging that for y'all, and I won't upload it till after the trip because I don't have a laptop to take and edit and everything, so it'll be after the trip. But if you're following my Snapchat, I'm definitely going to be snapping then, which is the Sarah Star 88. I want to get a new camera as well. Like, I love my little Canon, but I need something that flips up so I can see myself. I know, it's like narcissistic. I just want to make sure I'm in frame and everything's okay and whatnot. But goals are to get the Canon, right? I want that Canon GX7 Mark II or something. That's supposed to be like the top vlogging camera, so I would love to have that one day. But to settle, there's a Sony DSCX80, something like that. And it flips up, so I mean, it's not a bad price range. And I've looked on Amazon, and for like $20 more than what you can like buy just the camera at Best Buy, you get all this extra stuff and batteries and whatnot. That makes it a much better purchase. Or maybe I could start looking at camcorders because I think those are supposed to have better qualities. But definitely, if y'all have any opinions or insights on the different cameras and what not to get, please let me know. I know the Sony one I'm interested in. The mic situation sucks because, like, let me show you. So this little guy, we have a little muff right here, but he blocks the wind for y'all. And if I got the Sony one, there's like 2 on top, but they have these pop-up flash thing and a pop-up viewfinder, and it's right next to the microphone. So putting the little Muffy guy on it wouldn't work, so the wind would suck. It's gonna be a hot day today, even though it's like the low 90s. I mean, that's still hot for anybody, but it's pretty normal in Texas for June. August is our hottest month. Let me know, what is your favorite type of weather? What's your favorite month? I love spring. I was born in the spring, so maybe that's why. But I don't like the storms, because in Texas I'm in Tornado Alley, and it sucks. I grew up terrified of tornadoes, so like that warning comes on, I am like at the closet and getting everything cleared out. But now in the apartment we can have the bedroom, or the bathroom, which we've had to go hide in already. Understand small towns, like they at least got some like pizza place over here, Nails, and a Smoking Crow, and a CVS. But I just, like, people live here. Like, I don't know. There's a Walmart. It's a real town, y'all, and McDonald's. But I'm sure this only goes probably like a mile, and then we're back to nothing. Do y'all live in a small town like this? I couldn't do it. I would visit grandparents in Kansas, and dear God, took 30 minutes to get to Walmart and an hour and a half to get to the mall. I died. So we are here. Man, this zooming is gonna suck. Airplanes go too fast. But this is where we are at for the day. Yeah. As I zoom in.
Yeah, they're a lot quieter though. I thought they'd be louder.
So far this is the biggest plane we've seen. I could literally like sit on it. These are electric airplanes. They're like really small, look like babies, and I can't see on the camera.
Wow. There's like 20 of them flying right now.
No idea if I'm getting any of them.
Wow. Oh. Oh, I thought it was crashing.
I can't see it. Well, I would have to ask the people.
That airplane around. He got it under control. We were flying that, but probably finally he lands at
Hang on a minute.
You have to pay $5 for that.
right into the runway light, just destroyed the airplane.
We'll crank it up today, and I want you to look at the numbers on this stuff.
I got a tag.
Like this 2 times out of a year. 2 times out of a year like this.
So lunch was provided. Got some brisket type stuff, some pickles on the side, potato salad. Boyfriend got beans, but I did not want the beans. Got a rocket that's gonna go off.
After me. 5,
4, 3, 2, 1.
wobbly on takeoff, and that's just the way it is. That's why
I don't know if I can see it, y'all. Sorry, I failed. Here's my dad's dog named Cow. Because he looks like a cow. But he's missing his mommy and daddy right now because they're about to fly. So he's a little sad. You okay, Bubby? You okay? Here's my dad. There's a bee thing. It wasn't the most graceful landing. I think that died actually because it sounded like the engine cut off.
say how you had a little bit of a crash landing.
I picked it up on the test.
So it was kind of a crash landing. Just doing a little touch up now. This one didn't have a good landing. A nosedive. Y'all can have a shot of Cal while I update y'all. I'm really glad it's windy to help with the heat. When I was recording my dad fly, definitely hot. I don't know if I got sunburned. I tried to put some sunblock on. But overall, it's been pretty good. We saw, well, when we showed up, there was one crash. None since then. So you can hear the airplanes flying by, but Dad is going to fly, and he took the boyfriend to show him up close and personal of what it's like. Alright, the airplane show event is over. We're going back home now. I am like burnt. I don't know if it's like really burnt because
Or you're just hot.
if I'm just hot and my skin's reacting, because I don't know if you can tell, like the upper part is white, but then it gets red. Usually, I mean, I did put it on my shoulders, some sunblock, but I didn't get that far down. So I don't know what's happening. But I'm really hot. My mom is calling. We're going down some like back-ass road where you don't want to be in the middle of the night, because then it's going to turn into a horror story where you'll get murdered. But it was a good day. I'm glad it was windy to help keep the heat at bay. And we did, well, I saw the crash. The boyfriend missed it, but there's these electric airplanes, so they're really small. They don't make a loud noise like the gas ones. I did record some of them earlier, so you already saw that footage, but they went again a second time flying, and one of them crashed, and I heard it and I saw it, and like all the little pieces fell down, and then the airplane went off and fell. So I mean, that sucks, but my dad said that those don't cost a lot, so they're not out on a lot of their money. But that was my favorite thing to watch, because they just look like a bunch of birds and it was just all crazy. So we're just gonna go home, probably nap. It's 4:18. We got there at about 11:30. Whoop. Some of the landings weren't that great. Some people landed on the grass. They do what's like a nose dive type thing. So they landed, but then the airplane fell forward. But my dad was fixing his plane earlier because of his landing gear. He only has like one type of rod thing, and he said it'd be better if there was like 2 rods to where the legs are for the airplane to land. So we are going onward to home so I can show you the kitties and their new tags. And Ghost's new collar, because his old collar, we took the bell off of it because it was super annoying. Like Willow's bell wasn't annoying, but the collar we got him, it was. So we had to take it off, which I guess the metal ring part, the boyfriend took it off too. So the tag we got, there was nowhere to clip it on. So luckily, back, if y'all have been around that long, the vlog of Cooper, who was supposed to be my cat, but that didn't work out. I had bought a Halloween collar, because I'm all about Halloween. So Ghost is rocking a Halloween collar right now in June. But I'll show y'all when we get home. Every time there's a cop, all the cars gotta go the speed limit, like exactly. Which I'm confused because I don't see writing on it, but they have lights on top. So I don't even know if that's a real cop.
Yeah, there's a dog in there.
Puppy! Puppy! Where's the puppy? Calm down, Mustang. Excuse you. Slow your roll. So I wonder if the cop's gonna pull over that Mustang, because the Mustang exited and they were about to pass the cop in reference to the highway, so maybe he noticed that. surprised me taking us to Fruitalicious, which is my favorite place to get boba. And this is the taro. This is the taro milk tea with the tapioca bubbles that are so delicious. He got the chocolate covered strawberry, which is now on their little secret menu type thing that they popped up. But I heard about it before they even made that a thing. We got that before it was even heard about and made into a thing because someone told us working there, oh, it's called chocolate covered strawberry. But we always got it before it was even on the menu officially. So there's this fun thing where you ask the magic boba. So you think of your question. What do I want to ask? So I'm gonna ask it if my sunburn will go away quickly. I'm not looking. Just watch me, I am spinning it. So I don't know where the words are. You can see this, I'll spin. Not looking. So will my sunburn go away quickly? I hate to burst your bubble.
Nope.
Oh, fuck my life. Is it fruity? I'm gonna be chewing on this for a minute. So now it is time to go home, deal with this sunburn, and show you the kitties. So fun quick story, this intersection I had my first car accident ever. In my mom's car, I rear-ended this douchebag who, I don't want to get in the whole story, but it sucked. Douchebag. So we are home. I'm going to try to scrounge up the kitties. I've only seen Willow, but she keeps running. But we have new neighbors, and it's a tall guy that I've seen walking up. I'm not sure, because there's a U-Haul that's out, so I don't know if they hired people or if it's him or who else there is, but I'm going to investigate, see who my new neighbors are, and hopefully they're better than my last ones. And I hope they have a dog. Okay, so my arm, see the sunburn there? It's like white. There's like these lines and the red. I don't understand it. The boobs got burned. I just don't get why there's like a patch. And I put sunscreen on my shoulders, which still got red, so that doesn't even matter. I just don't understand because I was only in the sun when I recorded my dad flying, which was like less than 10 minutes, and then walking to and from to go to the bathroom once, to get our food, and to do the raffle tickets. So why am I so sunburned? Oh my god. Hello. So here's your new tag. Yeah. You sniff that camera. You pretty girl. You pretty girl. Ghosty. But I know some of you... Okay, the neighbors are moving in, so she's freaking out. I know some of y'all have been wanting to see the kitties. Willow, you gonna be talkative? Let me move this just because the address is on it. Don't mind the mess, the cats making it, eating their food. Yeah. Ghost! Come here. I call her my fluffy bunny because one, she runs like a bunny. She hops. And she's so soft like a bunny. Ghost! Tell your brother to come here. So here's Ghost and his tag as well. It's the same as hers, but with his name, obviously. You my pretty boy. You give no fucks. He doesn't have a happy face, but your eyes are so pretty. My little kitty. You sniff it. Oh, and he has, oh, is it upside down? No, not this way. It says no tricks, just treats. It has candy corn on it. See my Halloween kitty, but not really, because I like Halloween. Say bye to them. So I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Don't know how long it's gonna end up being because I filmed a lot of the airplanes, but a lot of it was just trying to find the airplanes and then having the airplane, and then it like disappeared from my view because it was bright out. So we'll see how this gets cut together. But I had a good day minus the sunburn. I'm really mad at myself because I always preach about wearing your sunscreen and wearing your sunblock, and I thought I wouldn't be out that long in the sun, and my skin proved me wrong. But wear your sunblock, kids, for real. I want to thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and I'm so ready to get to Orlando and film for y'all and enjoy my time off work. That's the big bonus right there. Need some vacation. And I'll see y'all in the next review, vlog. Right, Willow? It's very talkative. You say bye?